Hey guys, we're back again. Happy Thanksgiving weekend. It is Sunday as you are seeing this. That's when we're posting this. So hopefully you are seeing it Sunday morning, the couple days after Thanksgiving, and we are in the midst of our Black Friday sale. And it's crazy over here, and it's all thanks to you guys. You guys are just supporting us big time. But we have another group of sign carvers of the day that we want to go over here. This group is going to go from August 7th through September 5th of 2025. So if you sent me your picture of your projects in that specific date range, it should be in this group. If it's not, please let me know, because every once in a while I skip one, somehow miss it or whatever. It's kind of crazy sometimes keeping track of all these. But anyway, thank you again. Let's get into it right now. So the first one is from Cole Honstead, and actually this is one that I missed. He sent this to me back in July, but I missed it, so I wanted to catch this up. Cole and his family members have a bison ranch, and this sign is 10 by 30, made out of pine, and used the 2-inch Western font. Used the profile bit and the spiral upcut. Looks beautiful. Great job, Cole. Nice straight lines. The layout looks terrific. Man, looks great. I'm sure that everybody absolutely loves it. Next, we have Bob Levon. Here's another one that I missed from back a month or two back. So be sure, guys, if I'm missing them, let me know, and I'll try and find them and catch them up. So this is for a friend that's getting married, and this is a wedding gift. Obviously, looks fantastic. Live edge. I think it's walnut. I don't know that it is, but that's what it looks like to me. Fantastic job, Bob. I'm sure that everybody's going to love that at the wedding. Next, we have Chuck Starbond, and this is barnwood, and put a steel frame around the outside. What a cool idea. Made from a whiskey barrel ring. That's what this steel frame is. And I just love it. I love the artwork. I love everything about it. Beautiful job. It says it's barnwood, but it kind of looks like blue pine to me. Fantastic job, Chuck. Excellent work. Next, we have Jeff Basic. Actually lives here in Golden Valley. He's a neighbor of ours. Found us on YouTube. Had no idea who we were. We didn't know who he was. Came over and he got some layout stuff from us and made this sign. So terrific job, Jeff. Love it. And they made this for his mom, for a horse of hers that had passed away. So it's kind of a tribute. Anyway, great job, Jeff. Next, we have Sean Lundquist. So this is really cool. Sean made this for Michelle Turner Elder for the sign exchange. Michelle and her dad have a love for Mustangs, and Sean made this for Michelle, and Michelle's dad passed away before Christmas of 2024. So I think it's fantastic. Absolutely beautiful. Sean, you just nailed this whole thing. Look at all the detail in there. Absolutely stunning, stunning sign. Great job, Sean. And this is Michelle Turner. She's the one that got the sign from Sean. This is the one that she made for Sean, and he's a big bird hunter. Obviously, duck hunting is his jam. And Michelle, you absolutely killed it on this sign. I love everything about it. Just great job. Very rustic looking. I love the colors. I know Sean absolutely adores that sign. Next, we have Jonathan Anderson. This is for his niece's small business. 20 by 30, and it's a panel board. What a cool looking logo, and great job on the layout, the shape of the board. Wow, that just is cool. I love the colors, the kind of maroon and blue. Fantastic job, Jonathan. I'm sure your niece absolutely loves it. Next, we have Keith Hunter. I don't have any details on this. It looks like it was done out of pine. Looks like the grain is actually going vertical. Looks terrific. I don't know what size it is, but it's pretty good size. Held a good line there, Keith. Good looking sign, man. Great job, buddy. This next one, oh my gosh, Mike Jones. I don't even have words. This thing is just absolutely spectacular. The color, and this is, you guys probably can't tell by the picture, but he sent me a bunch of pictures in the process of making this. That's all carved. That's all freehand carved. And then he colored it up. Absolutely just spectacular. I love it. I can't say enough good stuff about this. It absolutely just blows me away. Great job, Mike. I know the dragon towing must absolutely just be nuts over that sign. It's beautiful. Next we have Bob Rose. Bob, awesome job, dude. This is really nice. I love the color. Looks like it's done on pine. I have any notes on it, but cool looking logo. Held nice lines, a lot of single line outset stuff there, mixed with the color and the pine. Looks terrific. Great job, Bob. This one is from Dennis Benante. And Dennis has been following us for a while. This is one of his very first signs. It looks like it was done on some of that pine that I've seen at Home Depot or Lowe's, which isn't the easiest to carve for being a tough board. And I can tell by looking at it, that was not a piece of cake to carve. Good job, Dennis. Next we have Chris Miller. Two-sided mother and daughter poem on the back side of this sign. I just didn't take a picture of that, or I didn't include that on here. And there's a video of the making of this on Facebook, so go check that out. Used cedar profile bit, carving liner, 1/8 inch and 1/4 inch spiral. Terrific job, Chris. Looks fantastic, buddy. Next we have Chris Cardwell, and this one is really cool. I would love to make a stencil out of this. That is fantastic. It's got a rustic look. Did a great looking edge on there, and it just looks like something you'd see on the side of a castle wall. Fantastic job, Chris. Love it. Shane Northridge out of the UK. This is 12mm plywood inlaid with resin and acrylic paints. Shane always makes colorful stuff, loves to use resin and acrylics, and do interesting things, and it looks cool. Very cool. I love it, Shane. I'm sure your customer loves it as well. Steve Taskay. Hope I'm saying that right, Steve. Apologize if I got it wrong. Carving and wood burning. So he did kind of a combination of both. It looks fantastic. It's 23 by 29. Love the color, and the fact that it shows up the lake, the town indicated by a red star there. Great job, man. Great job. Oh, it looks like it's about 39 or 40 inches long by about, 18 or 20 tall, something like that. Oh, 23 by 29. Maybe I already said that. But, man, terrific job. That's beautiful. It looks like it's maybe live edge white poplar or something like that. Great job, Steve. Next we have CJ. This one's on a piece of pine. Great looking scene. A lot of color. Terrific job, CJ. Used the profile bit and the carving liner. Terrific job. I love it. Next we have Eric Blanchard. And this has got some artwork on there. I can't really tell by the picture. It looks like it's huge, like it might be one of those yard signs that's very popular back in the East, out of logs and stuff. Looks like he's got some chunked logs to hold it up and hold it vertical. Terrific job, Eric. I see an owl on one side and looks like an elephant and some trees on the other side. Fantastic work. And it looks like it's cedar too. Next we have Mike Powell. 16 by 20 by 1 inch thick. It's teak. He used the carving liner, the profile bit, the 1/4 inch spiral, the 90, the 60. He used everything in his toolbox. The cuts all burrs. Did the inkjet transfer. The center is filled with epoxy, and it looks just absolutely beautiful. Blue and silver mica powder in the epoxy. Another masterpiece, Mike. Fantastic job, buddy. This is kind of your jam. I love these signs you're doing. Beautiful work, buddy. Next, we have Richard Duckett, very first sign. For your first sign, Richard, man, you killed it. It looks really good. Nice looking rustic edge. Looks like it's pine. You may have torched it a little bit. Looks great, man. For a first sign, yeah, that's really good. And last but not least, Christine Massey, another very first sign. Can't tell what kind of wood it is. Looks like it's got some stain on it, and it looks like it has some overlays, the sharks there. Terrific job, Christine. Hope you're having fun. That is really a cool looking sign. I like it. Nice job. All right, there you go, guys. Another 20 SCOTDs. That is Sign Carvers of the Day for those of you that might be new to the channel, and I know there's a bunch of you. So thank you again for watching. Thank you for all the support. Don't forget, we got 2 days. If you're seeing this first thing on Sunday morning, we've got all day today and tonight, and the sale ends, the biggest sale of the year, Black Friday, ends tomorrow night. That's Monday, December 1st, I believe, at 9 p.m. Arizona time. Then the sale stops, and we've got stuff on sale we've never had on sale. The router bits, the beginner kits. So go to the website, check it out, makeawoodssign.com. Everything is there. If you have any questions, let us know. Keep sending us your projects. We love showing them off for you. That is it, guys. Got to get back to work. We love you. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.